Hello, welcome to IDTSL presentations. We would like to present you today the JFConnector extension. This extension works with JoomFish and is installed within Joomla. With JFConnector, you can integrate and automate all JoomFish translations. You can export and import seamlessly all the extension translations. You can integrate with translation database that already exist. You can program all your translation processes. And you can even optimize natural search engine optimization through appropriated list of aliases translations, and much more. For this demo, we're going to use this test website where we have only English translation for the default language of the menu and this module. We have 3 languages that are installed, and if we click on each flag, you will see that the menus and the module stays in English as there is no translation available. So we're going to use JFConnector that is installed on the server with Joomla and JoomFish and the JFC client that is installed on your PC to connect, get the translation and send back the translation in one shot for many different languages. So here, for example, we have the URL of a website, your website. We have a valid login ID and password for Joomla. On the JoomFish connector tab, we have a very simple process where you can click on the first button and get all extensions available for translations. So these extensions are coming along with JoomFish, and you can add some for Virtumount or other extension as it is just XML descriptions. So in this case, we're going to use the menu one here, and we have 4 fields to translate. There is 2 languages installed and that we can make the translation for. For these languages, there is an ID that represents the language, the 3 for French and the 4 for Spanish. We're going to use that a little bit after that. So let's take the French one and click on the Get Translations. As you can see, the translations are downloading to your PC from the website. When the translations are downloaded, you get all the translations for all those 3 fields, and we're going to export it to a spreadsheet. So here we're going to change the name of the sheet name. We're going to put the JF translation 1. We export it to an existing spreadsheet in this case. Export has been done. Now we're going to open the spreadsheet. And as you can see, there is a sheet JF translation 1 with all the translation for all the menus for all 4 fields. In order to ease the presentation, we have been doing some preparation. We use another sheet where we did some translation already. And here we have 2 blocks. These 2 blocks were copied, so you can do that with many different languages. But in this case, we're going to the language ID number 3 for French and the 4 for Spanish. There is a value, which is the actual translation, and the original value. So here we have French and we have Spanish. We delete the blank line, we save the spreadsheet. Now in JoomFish client, we're going to change the sheet name so that we import the translation that we've been doing. Click on the import translation, double click on the spreadsheet, and we have imported the French and the Spanish translation into the JFC client. Now we would like to send it to the website. Just click the upload button, yes. And when the upload is done, you get a message and a log that tells you that all translations have been inserted. Let's switch back to the website. Remember, we had only the English version of the menu. So let's click on the Spanish one now. And you will see that we have the Spanish menus coming up, and the same for French by clicking on the French flag. Okay, let's do the same with a translation that has been prepared in the spreadsheet for the menu. So let's take the spreadsheet. There is a sheet called GF modules with some translations that are prepared for French and for Spanish. Here we are going to submit some HTML translations for the content and the title. Okay? Let's go back to the GF client. Here we're going to change the sheet module, the sheet name, modules. We import the right sheet. Okay. Now it has been imported in the GFC client and we upload to the website. Okay. Let's switch back to the website. Here the module is still in English when the menu are in French. So let's click on the French flag and you see that the French translation of the module is there. The same with the Spanish one. And now we have the menus and the module that has been translated. You can do, of course, this with JFConnector for the content and many other extensions that are available for Joomla. So as a summary, JFConnector extension enables you to work directly with your JoomFish component installed on your website, and you can automate and send translation for many languages at once. You can optimize SEO, search engine optimization, URLs through the aliases, and much more. If you are interested and if you need more information, please contact us and we will be more than happy to help you. Thank you.